Hello once again, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to share with you my exercise this morning. So, mag-elbow lang ako. And then, swing ko lang. So, this exercise ngayon, kaya, di ba yung pakiramdam ko, hindi talaga ako satisfied sa aking exercise. Kasi, mabilisan exercise lang. Sarap. Maraming katawan ko na hindi ako mahina. Kasi pagka hindi ako maka-exercise, mas lalo akong mahina. Okay guys, that is it. I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you so much for watching. And please follow me. Hindi ko ngayon si Alice, baka ka na mag-exercise pagkatapos ko mag-work. Thank you so much and bye for now.